Hey DIY lovers! Welcome back to the channel where we turn ordinary materials into extraordinary creations. Today we're diving into the world of PVC pipe DIY projects, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. Whether you're looking to organize your space, create unique furniture, or craft amazing home hacks, PVC pipes can do it all. So grab your tools because today, I'll be sharing 10 incredible PVC pipe DIY solutions you can start right now. Let's get crafting. Alright, let's kick things off with a problem we've all experienced. A mountain of shoes cluttering the doorway. We're gonna conquer this chaos with a super simple, crazy, effective PVC pipe shoe rack. First things first, you'll need some PVC pipes. I'm using 1-inch diameter pipes for this project, but you can adjust based on the size of your shoes and the space you have. Now the magic happens when you cut these pipes into equal lengths. We'll use PVC pipe cutters for clean, straight cuts, but a hacksaw works too if you're in a pinch. Once you've got your PVC pipe army all cut to size, it's time to assemble. We'll use PVC connectors to link these bad boys together. I'm going with a simple grid design here, classic and functional. And just like that, you've got yourself a custom-made, super sturdy shoe rack that's gonna have your entryway looking like $1,000,000. Now let's take our PVC pipe game to the walls and banish clutter for good. We're talking about a super versatile wall-mounted storage system that's perfect for everything from tools and craft supplies to toiletries and even kitchen utensils. Got some hefty hammers? Go for a wider pipe. Need a place to stash your paintbrushes? A slimmer pipe will do the trick. Just like before, we'll measure, mark, and cut our pipes to the desired lengths. Remember, measure twice, cut once. Now for the wall mounting magic, we're gonna use PVC pipe straps. These handy little guys are easy to find at any hardware store and make securing our pipes to the wall a breeze. Just make sure to find studs in your wall for maximum support, especially if you're storing heavier items. Once our pipes are securely mounted, it's time to get organized. I like to add a little personal touch by spray painting the pipes different colors. It adds a pop of personality and makes it easy to identify what goes where. And there you have it, a custom-built, wall-mounted storage system that's gonna have you saying so long, to clutter and hello, to a beautifully organized space. Alright, fellow green thumbs, this one's for you. Let's transform your garden with a super sturdy, super stylish PVC pipe trellis that'll have your plants climbing to new heights. For this build, we're going for strength and durability, so I'm using thicker PVC pipes around 1.5 inches in diameter. We'll need enough to create a frame for our trellis, plus some extra for the vertical supports. Now before we break out the PVC cutters, let's talk design. You can keep it classic with a rectangular frame or get fancy with arches or even a cool geometric pattern. With our design in place, it's time to cut those pipes. Remember, accuracy is key here, so take your time and make sure those cuts are clean and straight. Once our trellis pieces are ready, it's time to connect them. We'll use PVC elbow joints for the corners and T-joints for the vertical supports. To give our trellis extra stability, we'll drive some rebar stakes into the ground and secure the PVC frame to them. This ensures it stays put even in strong winds. And there you have it, a custom-built PVC pipe trellis that's gonna have your garden looking like something straight out of a magazine. Your plants will thank you for the extra support, and you'll love the added touch of DIY charm. Let's be honest, laundry day is rarely anyone's favorite day. But we can at least make it a little less of a drag with a super functional PVC pipe laundry basket stand. No more bending over, no more lugging heavy baskets around, just pure laundry day efficiency. For this build, we'll need some sturdy PVC pipes, around 1 inch in diameter will work well. We'll also need 4 caster wheels to give our stand that smooth rolling action. First, we'll create the base of our stand. I'm going with a simple rectangular frame, but you can get creative with the shape. Just make sure it's large enough to comfortably hold your laundry basket. Next, we'll attach the caster wheels to the corners of our base using PVC T-joints. Make sure those wheels are on nice and tight, we don't want any laundry day mishaps. Now for the vertical supports, we'll cut 4 equal lengths of PVC pipe. These will determine the height of our stand, so make sure it's comfortable for loading and unloading your laundry. We'll attach these supports to the corners of our base using more PVC T-joints. And finally, we'll add a top frame to our stand using more PVC pipes and elbow joints. This provides extra stability and prevents the laundry basket from tipping over. And there you have it, a custom-built PVC pipe laundry basket stand that'll have you gliding through laundry day like a pro. Your back will thank you, and your laundry routine just got a whole lot more efficient. Calling all bookworms. Need a stylish and affordable way to display your literary treasures? Look no further than this super cool, super customizable PVC pipe bookshelf. It's the perfect blend of industrial chic and DIY ingenuity. For this build, I'm going with a combination of 1-inch and 3/4-inch PVC pipes. The 1-inch pipes will form the main structure of our bookshelf, while the 3/4-inch pipes will act as supports for the shelves. First, we'll create the vertical supports of our bookshelf. I'm going with a floor-to-ceiling design for maximum stability, but you can easily adjust the height to fit your space. We'll use PVC T-joints to connect the vertical supports to the horizontal pieces that will hold our shelves. Now for the shelves themselves, we'll cut pieces of plywood to the desired size. I like to leave a little overhang on each side for a more polished look. To attach the shelves to the PVC frame, we'll use screws and some good old-fashioned elbow grease. Make sure those screws are long enough to go through the plywood and into the PVC pipes for a super secure hold. And there you have it, a custom-built PVC pipe bookshelf that's both functional and fabulous. It's the perfect way to show off your book collection and add a touch of industrial cool to any room. Let's give those leafy friends the royal treatment with a sleek and modern PVC pipe plant stand. It's the perfect way to add some greenery to your space while showcasing your DIY skills. For this build, we'll be working with 1-inch PVC pipes for a sturdy and stylish stand. The design we're going for is a classic tripod which provides excellent stability for your potted pals. We'll start by cutting 3 equal lengths of PVC pipe for the legs of our tripod. The height is up to you, but I recommend going for something that complements the size of your plant pot. Next, we'll use PVC T-joints to connect the legs of our tripod. Make sure those connections are nice and tight. We don't want any plant-related accidents. Now, for the top of our stand, we'll cut a circular piece of plywood to fit snugly within the top of our tripod. This will act as a platform for our plant pot. To secure the plywood platform to the tripod legs, we'll use screws and some construction adhesive for extra hold. And there you have it, a custom-built PVC pipe plant stand that's both stylish and functional. Your plants will be living their best lives, and your home decor just got a whole lot greener. Attention all remote workers and digital nomads. Say goodbye to neck strain and hello to ergonomic comfort with this super simple, super effective PVC pipe laptop stand. It's the perfect way to elevate your workspace and boost your productivity. For this build, we'll be using 3/4-inch PVC pipes for a lightweight yet sturdy stand. We'll also need some PVC elbow joints to create the perfect angle for comfortable typing. First, we'll cut 2 equal lengths of PVC pipe for the base of our stand. These will determine the width of our stand, so make sure it's wide enough to comfortably accommodate your laptop. Next, we'll cut 2 shorter lengths of PVC pipe for the vertical supports. These will determine the height of our stand, so make sure it raises your laptop screen to a comfortable viewing level. We'll connect the base pieces to the vertical supports using PVC elbow joints. This creates a stable platform for our laptop to rest on. To prevent our laptop from sliding around, we'll add some grippy material to the top of the stand. I like to use a combination of rubber shelf liner and double-sided tape for a secure hold. And there you have it, a custom-built PVC pipe laptop stand that's both practical and affordable. Your neck and shoulders will thank you, and your workspace just got a whole lot more ergonomic. Parents, this one's for you. Tired of stepping on Legos and tripping over stuffed animals? Let's banish toy clutter for good with this super fun, super functional PVC pipe toy organizer. It's the perfect way to get the kids involved in tidying up while adding a playful touch to their space. For this build, we'll be using a variety of PVC pipe sizes to create different compartments for all those toys. Think large diameter pipes for stuffed animals, medium diameter pipes for toy cars, and smaller diameter pipes for crayons and art supplies. First, we'll measure and cut our PVC pipes to the desired lengths. The height and width of our organizer will depend on the available space and the number of toys we need to wrangle. Next, we'll use PVC T-joints and elbow joints to connect our pipes and create a sturdy framework for our organizer. You can get creative with the design here, think zigzags, arches, or even a cool cityscape. To add a touch of whimsy, we'll spray paint our PVC pipes in bright, cheerful colors. This not only makes the organizer more visually appealing but also helps kids identify where each toy belongs. And there you have it, a custom-built PVC pipe toy organizer that's both practical and playful. Your kids will love tidying up with their new toy storage solution, and you'll love the clutter-free floors. And there you have it, 8 incredible PVC pipe DIY solutions that you can start today. Which project was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you love smart, budget-friendly DIYs, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on creative ideas. Thanks for watching and happy crafting. See you in the next video.